So now people, the thing gets serious now. But just get the call, you see me? So I have to make you know what go on. So, who's to ever know everything about the same have me away competition the way I go on with me and Shantel and the rest of contestant them. Who's to ever know the truth about it? People are speculating on them talk, but me no business, you see me? Who's to ever know the truth about it know the truth. See, Shantel know the truth. Because she get the cancellation message. She just now show that in her whole heap, screenshot them. Anyways, there me hard call and me get a call. So 100,000 gone for my head now because I owe one girl 20,000. She called some nigga in a prison and some nigga make link out a road. Foreign. Yeah, a foreign link I make cause apparently everybody think a foreign me live. See? Me not live a foreign. Jamaica me live. Come up here so for a show. They I shoot some video and I do some collab with some international artists. You see me? Or local artists. But me get the call anyway, so I just make you know say Shantel never win my competition. And I send her 25% of the 200 US for her corporation and she take it to heart and make her call them and say me for dead and then put 100,000 for my head. So I just make you know. You see me? Cause my friend them I go hear this too and people when me know I go hear this and when me respect I go hear this and when respect me. So you don't know the thing go. People life not go so easy. You see me? Cause life no sell cheap. Life no can't buy, you see me? So, I just make you know say, yo, the call they make and sit there, you see me? I don't know how this girl want kill me for, or kill Mizabling, cause Mizabling get name calling at the whole thing too. You see me? I don't know what this all about, and Shantel knows that she now win a competition. See? But it gets serious away and here we go on. And like me don't have the money can send Shantel the $20,000, but Shantel didn't win, so I don't see the reason me I go send Shantel $20,000. I'm still not send Shantel 20,000. Shantel get what she get, and that she have for all. Me no business where uno go come. Me I go send Shantel $20,000. I'm still not send Shantel 20,000. Shantel get what she get, and that she have for all. Me no business where uno go comment and say. You see me, cause me know the truth of this. See? And the thing reach life, you know, so you don't know, so your thing get serious. Anyways, I just make uno know this. If anything for happen to me, uno know the thing go. Cause I'm not hide from nobody, I'm not run up and down, I'm not hear this and just sit down with this and go on like say, right, cause you don't know the world around. You see me? Yeah. So boom. Me not send no more money go give Shantel. See? So that the money that you get, just hold on upon that and know say for your corporation. Cause you know the truth. See? And big up on yourself again and strike. Look out for me in 2017. You see me? Don't know the thing go. Bad.